Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra has just been put to the ultimate durability test, and the results are nothing short of incredible. Right after its official launch at the Unpacked event in San Francisco, Samsung shared a bold claim. Its latest flagship features Gorilla Armor 2, a new glass technology developed by Corning, which can survive drops from as high as 2.2 meters or 7.2 feet. That's an impressive statement, but how does it hold up in real-world testing? A popular YouTuber, PB Previews, wasted no time in finding out. He put the Galaxy S25 Ultra through a brutal drop test, letting it crash onto concrete from different angles. If you were expecting shattered glass and a ruined device, you'd be surprised. The phone handled the impacts exceptionally well. After multiple drops, the front and back glass remained intact, showing barely any signs of damage. Even the new Grade 5 titanium frame, which is supposed to add extra strength, only picked up minor scratches and small dents. That's a major improvement over last year's Galaxy S24 Ultra. During similar drop tests, the S24 Ultra did well, but still ended up with a small crack on one of its corners after just one fall. So, does this mean the S25 Ultra is the most durable Samsung phone ever? It definitely seems like it, though it's important to remember that drop tests aren't always 100% consistent. A slight change in angle or even a tiny pebble on the ground can alter the results. But overall, the new Gorilla Armor 2 is proving to be a game changer when it comes to drop protection. Interestingly, this improved durability might have come with a small trade-off. Corning adjusted the formula for Armor 2, slightly reducing its scratch resistance compared to the previous version. This could be why the S25 Ultra is surviving drops better than the S24 Ultra. It seems like Samsung and Corning prioritized drop protection over scratch resistance this time around. Of course, this doesn't mean the S25 Ultra's screen will scratch easily, but it does highlight the delicate balance glass manufacturers have to maintain. Should they make the glass harder to resist scratches or slightly softer so it absorbs impact better? It's always a trade-off, and with the S25 Ultra, it looks like Samsung has leaned toward making the phone more resistant to drops. Another factor that may be helping the S25 Ultra's durability is its completely flat display and back panel. Unlike phones with curved edges which tend to expose more glass to impact, the S25 Ultra's flat design could be reducing the chances of cracks. This means users who have always been cautious about dropping their phones might have less to worry about with this device. Overall, Samsung seems to have built the S25 Ultra with incredible attention to durability. Whether it's the stronger titanium frame, the refined Gorilla Armor 2 glass, or the improved design, this phone looks like it can take a beating and still function perfectly. For anyone who's ever experienced the heartbreak of a cracked phone screen, this could be a major selling point. Would you trust the S25 Ultra to survive a drop without a case? Let us know what you think in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. See you in the next one.